Paul Ross presents 3 at 31 Beechboro Road South, Bayswater. This modern 3-bedroom 2-bathroom home is situated in a convenient central location, close to public transport and access to shops. Recently painted throughout and well presented, you'll enjoy the spacious indoor and outdoor living spaces, giving you multiple options to relax or entertain. Upstairs boasts a generous sized master bedroom complete with a large walk-in robe and an ensuite. Plus the 2 other bedrooms which have built-in robes, as well as the main bathroom. Downstairs offers a spacious open-plan living, dining and a modern kitchen. Incorporating all the creature comforts, this home promises everyday easy living and low maintenance. It will suit single professionals wanting some space and privacy, couples, young families, FIFOs and even downsizers, where low maintenance, security and comfortable living are a priority. This home is located only 900 metres to the Bayswater train station and close to public transport. Chisholm College, Hillcrest Primary, Bayswater Waves and Morley Galleria Shopping Centre are all a short drive. The CBD is just 8 kilometres away, plus you're 10 minutes to the airport. With the future Bayswater Airport link near completion, this property is situated in an awesome location in a fantastic pocket of Bayswater. For more information, a personal viewing or for everything real estate, contact Paul Ross on 0428 571 050.